Alright, well, good morning all. Motocamping in Arcadia Lake, just outside of Edmond, Oklahoma. I'll be here for a couple days. Planning on staying through Monday morning. But it's a very chilly morning this morning, down to about 46 degrees, so it's pretty crisp. Get the cold toes and cold fingers going on. But it's time for breakfast. So I'm doing my normal breakfast routine here. Stanley cup. And jet boil. And of course, the coffee. I'm ready to warm up, I'll tell you that. I slept pretty well in the hammock last night. The Kammok mantis, and then I've got the one Tigris under quilt. It did okay. I started getting some cold spots around my shoulders and feeling it coming through, so I put on my thermal riding top, and that helped. Alright, let's get the water going first. Still good. I got the shivers. Sticky. Good old my captain. Get. About 18 ounces this morning. Go with a little less fire this time than I did last time. Maybe it won't boil out before I finish grinding my coffee. That's pretty good. Sitting on this cold concrete doesn't help. Concrete table and chairs and benches. Hands are a little cold and stiff. Can't articulate my fingers to get my coffee. More beans, more beans, more beans. Oh. Come here, bean. You can't run away. Okay, that's going to be a strong cup of joe. And that's metal. My hands are already cold. I'm going to put on my mittens. I'm ready to climb back in that hammock and pull my cover over me. Come on now. Oh yeah, I'm already done. Look at that. I boil. Perfect timing. And my toddler didn't help me pack this time. I have my utensils. We found these upstairs under her toy box. Under her toy box, in her toy area. I found them anyway. I guess she likes them too. Okay, so I'm already gloved, so it makes it easy to get this thing out. So I say, see, that thermal expansion really locks this monkey in. I can get it out, but it might burn me. There we go. Still need gloves to pick this thing up. It's got this, covering on the outside of it, but it doesn't help. It's still hot. Alright, here we go. And there are their pieces. Alright, I'll let that sit there and cook for a minute. And as usual, I have my oatmeal and my scrambled eggs with bacon. One of these days, I'm going to get back out to my real primitive camping. Go out in the woods and take some cooked gear with me and some food and do some real cooking. I haven't done that in quite a while. Where are we? We are at where I can't read this thing. That's 8, 10, 12, 16. That's what I needed. You popped open again, didn't you? Don't do that. Okay, let that sit. Sorry, I'm too enthralled in my cooking here to commentate. Okay. Gotta say, I'm a little disappointed in the upkeep of the grounds out here. Maybe it's just been the past few guests that have frequented this spot, but man, there is just trash everywhere. I always do the leave no trace type camping and make sure that I take everything with me. You know, pack out all your trash, and if you find any, you take it with you. But on this occasion, I am not taking anything extra with me because there's so much of it. It's unbelievable. There's trash bags full of beer cans and food wrappers and God knows what, just strewn everywhere. It's a very pretty area. It's a shame for that to be the case. Try not to dwell on the negative, but man, that's just not very friendly. Okay then. Oatmeal and eggs are cooking, and coffee should be ready. My hands are cold. I'm going to let the coffee get good and strong today. Sometimes I set a timer for the coffee, other times I just wait until I think it's done. I don't think it's done yet. But I do want to drink my coffee. Sitting on this cold concrete is chilling my nether regions. Okay then. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can't miss, can't miss. Gotta get the logo. Oh yeah. Okay. We'll get those last drops. You betcha. There's a little bit of water there, didn't there? And there we go. Time for breakfast. Walk you down and show you the lake. But I'm not going to take too long, because I don't want my coffee to get cold. Eeny, meeny, miny, this way. Fairly steep through here, but it's passable. Right until you get to this drop off. I don't feel like climbing that. I could jump down it, but I don't want to climb back up. A little too cold. My joints aren't ready for that quite yet, and it's nothing like scuffing cold fingers. Man, that hurts. So here we are. Lake Arcadia. Looks like the water levels are down a little bit compared to where they normally are. Of course, I haven't been out here in a long time, so I don't know what normal is. There we go. That's about as far as I'm going to go. Yeah, you can see the normal water line right up there, you know, against that grassy outcropping there. So looks like the level's probably about 8 feet below normal, 6 or 8 feet at least. I don't know how the camera's doing with that glare, but woohoo, boy, that's bright coming off the water. It's very nice out here. I've been to this lake many times, fishing and whatnot when I was younger, but I've never camped out here. And we got somebody out there fishing already. When I woke up just at dawn, there were fish jumping up and splashing in the water and trying to catch their early morning breakfast too. Ooh, don't fall down there. What I mean about the trash, it's everywhere. I mean, it's just littered everywhere. If I had extra garbage bags with me, I'd just go through here and clean some of this up. But I don't have extra garbage bags, and I don't really want to get the whatever might be on that on me. That's how I keep my boots and my helmet. I put them into a kitchen garbage bag and seal up the top. That way I don't get spiders and stuff like that in my gear. That's no good. Alright, well, it is full-on breakfast out here. I'm going to start eating cold stuff that I'll eat soon. So, catch y'all later.